Hey everyone, it's Jackie from Vegan Yack Attack, and I'm back with a brand new book, baby. This time it's Vegan Yack Attack's plant-based meal prep and recipes to streamline your vegan lifestyle. Basically the most helpful book for the beginning of the year, so this is the perfect time for it to launch. And in this book we have 13 weekly meal plans, some for solo, some for families, some for just 2 adults. But there's 105 recipes, lots of snacks, lots of versatility, and lots of allergy-friendly recipes, so you're just gonna love this book. Check my website, veganyackattack.com. I have some sneak peek recipes on there for you, like my hash brown crusted frittata or the matcha oatmeal with raspberries and coconut. So good. I'll link it in the description, so make sure to check it out, and I can't wait for you to see this book. Before you go, to celebrate this book coming out, I'm giving away 1 copy of each of my books, which I can't believe there's 3, and that's gonna go to 1 lucky winner. Make sure to check the description for rules and regulations, how to enter, how to win. And even if you don't win the giveaway, you can still find these books online, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, on the website and in person. Probably be in some Whole Foods, but definitely check out your small local bookstore and see if it is also there. And if you want me to come to your town to do a demo and a signing or anything, just let me know. I would love to be there. Good luck. Are my glasses dirty as fuck? Yeah.